Now that we have defined why we should do market trend analysis and how we should go about doing that, let us get started on this. So let's start by Google search and let us just put project management software trends to start with. We can also add keywords like Gartner or Forrester here to selectively search articles from Gartner and Forrester sites. So far, I have collected some data on project management software trends from various sites. Few sites were very helpful, few were not as helpful. Like, I did not get any project management software trend information from Reddit. I have also collected a list of competitor names who are competing with Trello in this space. Forrester report was significantly helpful in this area. So there are many ways to search for competitors also. So for example, you can just simply put Trello versus and you will get to see few of the competitor names starts up, and then there are many other ways to do so. So right now I will go and I'll search as many competitors as possible, but then I will filter it further down to 5 to 6 competitors so that it is easier for us to analyze. So, from my analysis, I have synthesized the following trends in the project management software domain. The first one is use of artificial intelligence for process automation, prioritization of project tasks, and real-time scheduling. The adoption of artificial intelligence and machine learning is slow but steady among the project management software providers. However, there are players who are providing significant tools for automating project management processes. Even we can see this in Trello, where Butler, the bot, provides simple process automation utilities. The second one is simplified experiential and usable project management applications who are innovating on the user experience side by adopting human-centered design principles. We see this in Trello as well. The Trello's application is very simple and easy to use, and it is simply designed around boards and cards. So there is also a significant trend where organizations are adopting multiple project management methodologies like a mix of waterfall, Scrum, Kanban, etc. For example, design team might be using Scrum for design deliverables across design sprints, whereas engineering team might be using Kanban. So project management tools should allow setting up of different types of processes for these methodologies and enable workflows so that these teams can work together to deliver a project. The fourth trend that we observed is seamless integration and data collation from various sources. Collaboration did not only be within teams but also within tools. So there are trends where project management tools are offering seamless API based integrations with different tools like document management systems, learning systems, data visualization tools, etc. Also, the data from within these systems are easily transferred, collated, and presented in the project management tool to give 360-degree view on the project. There is also a huge demand of data analytics and advanced reporting tools to provide meaningful insights to project stakeholders for project reporting and decision making. The last trend that I saw is that project management tools should be designed keeping remote teams and gig economy in mind, such that it can enable task management and collaboration when project members are working remotely. I also went about and identified some key competitors, and I used similar research techniques that I use for trend analysis with a slight variance. I will leave an interesting article in the resources section which can help you with the techniques that can help you easily identify an exhaustive list of competitors. In the analysis, however, what I observed is that a project management software is a heavily commoditized market, and there are thousands of players available, and each of these do a few things differently. That is, they have created subtle differentiators to appeal to a particular customer segment. To keep things simple for our role play exercise, I have identified some main competitors who are common in the project management space for small and medium business segment. These are Asana, Monday.com, Airtable, Rike, ProofHub, Basecamp, Avaza, ClickUp, Workshop. Now, of these, we will only take 5 that I have put in this feature competition matrix. Now, I will go through each of these competitors and identify features and do a comparison in the feature competition matrix. Now we have a feature competition matrix ready. From my analysis, what I saw is Asana and Rike are full-fledged project management systems with almost all key feature sets available. Monday.com is very innovative in its approach and has some differentiating features like map view and time tracking. ProofHub is very aggressive and fast catching up with Asana and Rike. It also has some differentiating features like file version management and notes. Airtable is pretty different from all of these, and it is not a conventional project or task management system. It relies on grids and mimics that of a spreadsheet and has endless flexibility like the spreadsheet. Airtable is made for small businesses and gigsters to manage their projects and tasks. So in the feature competition matrix, we have put available features against each of these competitors, and Y indicates that the feature is available for the competitor. Competition score is a simple count of the number of Ys for the features and indicates that the feature is available with how many competitors. Then what we have done is we have normalized the competition score to a scale of 10, which will be our input for the product planning exercise. In this normalized score, if a feature scores more than 8, then it indicates that more than 80% of your competitors are offering these features, and hence it compels the product managers to consider this to include in the roadmap. Using the same principle, when we compare the feature set of Trello with that of the competitors, what we see that many key features are missing in Trello. Few examples are reporting and data visualization, list view of projects, start dates for task dependencies or having subtasks, Gantt chart view, task status, project progress dashboard, etc. No wonder we have seen few of these features being requested by customers that we saw during our customer feedback analysis. So now we have customer feature requests, market trends, and competitive insights. And we are all set to go into product planning and road mapping. So let's move.